Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today we'll be making tempura shrimp. So let's start cooking. What I have here is roughly 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Go ahead and wash them first in cold water, drain and pat dry with a paper towel. Transfer the shrimp to a mixing bowl, and now let's continue on to preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, add the following ingredients: 1 cup of tempura mix, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and combine well. Gradually add in the water. Once the flour has fully incorporated into the batter, now it's time to heat up the oil and get ready to fry the shrimp. Make sure the oil is hot and ready for frying, and then add in your shrimp. We'll have to refry the shrimps twice. Once the shrimp begins to rise to the surface, remove from oil and place them on a napkin. By refrying the shrimp a second time, this will make the tempura shrimp really nice and crunchy. There you have it, crunchy and delicious tempura shrimp made in just under 15 minutes. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.